But what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today is the day we're going to be talking about the Apple AirPods Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and basically which one is going to be the best for you. So let's check them out. So for all of the people who love to talk about specs out there, because there are a lot of you guys, let's go ahead and get that stuff out of the way. So the Apple AirPods Pro come with wireless charging case, more than 24 hours of listening time, up to 18 hours of talk time with this device, active noise cancellation, 4.5 hours of listening time on music on a single charge, and 3.5 hours of talk time on a single charge as well. You have Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. You have the Force Touch on the actual tips down here. You have different size tips that come with this. Active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive equalizer. The list goes on and on and on and on. Now, those are some of the specs for Apple AirPods Pro. Let's jump over here to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. First off, with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, you're going to get ambient awareness, so it allows you to keep up with what's going on around you. You get an adaptive dual microphone, stereo Bluetooth. These are the earbuds that you really will get some good sound out of. 6 hours on the earbuds, 7 hours on the cradle playtime. Wireless charging by sitting it on the bottom, 5 hours worth of talk time on this. Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C connectivity. Now that's one of the biggest differences. On this one, you are going to get the USB Type-C. Comes in several colors. You get the blue, you get the black, you actually get a white. These are IPX2 sweat and water resistant. They also have tap features. Once you put them in your ear, the outside becomes a tap, 1 tap, 2 taps, as well as 3 taps. And then you actually have a long press feature on these as well. So now that we've gotten all of that, the number stuff out of the way, because somebody was going to ask about it anyway, since we got all that out of the way, let's talk about the actual experience of using these. Now, first off, these have two totally separate price points. The Samsung Galaxy Buds are going to cost you about $149. Over here, $250 for the Apple AirPods Pro. So right there in that category, Samsung wins, just because you're going to get the same, almost the same sound quality out of the Galaxy Buds Plus that you're going to get out of the Apple AirPods Pro. The next thing, you want to talk about the comfort of these things in your ear. And what I found is your size ear actually matters in this category. No one can tell you that the other is going to be comfortable for you. You have to try out both of them for yourself. If you have a smaller ear, the smaller size will fit you, i.e. the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Once you put these into a smaller ear, like my ear, I pop them in, they actually fill up my whole ear, and I have no issues with these. On the AirPods Pro, the fit does work, but I find myself having them to be a little loose sometimes and having to readjust them in my ear. So for me, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus wins that category as well. Now, as far as sound quality, when you're talking with your music and things of that nature, sound quality would have to go to the AirPods Pro. They give you a slightly better sound, a slightly better tone. Now you're going to get good sound out of this too, but you're going to get deeper basses and higher trebles with the AirPods Pro. And so since we've been through those categories, the next thing we want to talk about is the ability to be user friendly. Now, AirPods have that one-handed motion type thing. You just flick them open and you're good to go. One-handed doesn't work so well over here with Samsung, just because, if you can see, you got to kind of struggle a little bit. The way that they're made, they're really made to open with 2 hands. The hinging mechanism is just not that flimsy, and that is a good thing. You need 2 hands because that's not going to give. On AirPods, you flick it open, you pop them in, you're good to go. Now, usability, AirPods will win in that category. Now, the ability to charge these things is going to go to Samsung, because Samsung utilizes USB Type-C while Apple is still behind with the Lightning adapter. And just the actual overall customer experience with these, I've used both of these. Well, apparently I've used the AirPods Pro longer than the Galaxy Buds Plus, but The ability to put these in my ear, connect these to different devices, and it's a very seamless connection. Like if I'm using my computer and I want to swap back and forth from my phone to my computer, I just go into my computer, click on connect, it swaps over to my computer. I've had no issues. It's worked every single time. So just usability, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is going to win in that category. Now, both of these can connect to the same device at the same time as somebody else using their earbuds. So they both win in that category, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, the price, that's going to be the number one thing, because whatever you're willing to spend is depending on which one you're going to get. So the price and the actual comfort. Now, they both sound good. You get a little bit of better sound on the AirPods Pro. I can't lie about that. They both sound good, but price and comfort are going to be your main determining factors. So whichever one fits your ear best, that's the one you should get. Both of them work in both ecosystems, Samsung as well as Apple. So no matter which one you get, you'll be able to use it with whatever device you have. As you guys know, I have an iPhone right here, and I am shooting this video on my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I use these devices interchangeably on a daily basis. With that being said, the ball's in your court. Which one is it going to be for you? AirPods Pro, Galaxy Buds Plus? Leave a comment down below and let me know which one you like the best and which one you're willing to spend your money on for that comfort. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.